Are you a beginner who wants to make money online using some of these free AI tools I'll be explaining in this video? And here are top secrets every beginner should know when it comes to ChatGPT, which I'll be explaining right here in this video. So here is ChatGPT, and welcome to Express AI Tech, where I guide you on easy way to make money or leverage on ChatGPT and how it can help you make money online by giving you ideas that are monetizable. So as you can see now, we just typed what is ChatGPT, and here now I'll be showing you guys the purpose for this. So many of you might be wondering what ChatGPT is really all about. So let's dive into it. So here now I'm on my ChatGPT app, and first of all, let's review what ChatGPT is actually all about. So ChatGPT is an AI which is popularly known as artificial intelligence program that creates open AI that can understand and respond to human language in a natural way. So what can ChatGPT do? So ChatGPT can help us to answer some of our questions and can also give ideas and summarize some certain things right here. So first of all, now as a new beginner, I'll be guiding you on how to register an account. So first of all, I'll be logging out my account right here on my ChatGPT app, and once I'm done with that, I'll be installing it. So if you're using an Android or an iOS, let's go to your Apple Store for Android users, and also go to your iOS Apple Store for iPhone users. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as you can see now, this particular AI tool are for beginners. So if you're a beginner, just stick to this video and watch how you can make use of ChatGPT to make money. And this is something no one is talking about. So let's dive in. First of all, go to your Chrome or Safari if you're using an iOS, and all you have to just click on this bar and search ChatGPT. So once you search ChatGPT or ChatGPT.com, so right over here now, click on the ChatGPT app you just in here. So I'm making use of my PC. So if you're making use of your phone, you can also go to your Play Store and download ChatGPT. If you're making use of an Android or iOS, all you have to do is just to go to your Apple Store. So right over here now, we just did that, and the next thing we have to do right here is just to click on the login option. So if you have logged in, just log in directly, but if you haven't, all you have to do now is just to create an account. So putting in your email here if you've created an account, and if you want to continue with Google, you can also do that. And once you do that, you'll be able to create an account right here. So let's sign in using our Google. So once I'm done now, I will put in my email. So don't forget to sign in your email in your account or in any of the system you're gonna be using for this particular video. So once you're done doing that, and wait for a few minutes for it to load. Once it's done loading, your ChatGPT app will actually be open for you. So the next thing you have to do now is how to make use of this AI, telling it what to do and what not to do to enable you make money online. So you can see here, don't forget, this is a free AI tools for beginners only. So now, and in this video now, you'll be able to achieve so many things on how you can make good use of ChatGPT. So right over here now, ChatGPT helps you to answer few questions, and can also help you as a YouTuber to grow your channel, or as a content creator to grow any of your social media. And here are some reasons why I will recommend ChatGPT as one of the best free AI tools for beginners in 2026. Now, all you have to do is to give this AI tool your prompt, and it will generate this full script for you in seconds. Now, if you've watched this level, I will show you guys now on how you can be able to make good use of ChatGPT. So you can write money online for clients on freelancing websites. You can also use it for your product, and you can also generate ideas for your digital marketing or product. You can also use it to create scripts for your channels, and it can help you guide you through monetization process, all with the help of ChatGPT. And that is why I will always recommend ChatGPT as one of the best free AI tools for beginners in 2025. So if you've watched this level and you've not yet liked this video or subscribed my channel, don't forget to do that, because I'll be dropping tips on how you can be able to make use of most of the free AI tools I'll be dropping right here. And if you are able to follow my channel right from scratch till the end, I'll be able to show you guys. I'm also be dropping other ways you can be able to leverage on ChatGPT to make passive income, and also some other best free AI tools for beginners
which you can also use to make yourself money. And I'll also be dealing with some of the apps that can generate income for you and secrets about some things or AI tools that you don't know about. So don't forget to like this video, share and comment down below which of the AI tools you want me to address in the comment section.